I think what's cool about it is everything that we're doing to support each other is a model of what we need to do to support our farmers.
Yes.
Because they're isolated.
Yes.
And we need to sort of find ways of supporting them, and it's never going to be a one size fits all.
Yeah.
So, I mean, basically, sometimes talking about all this, you say, so what is soil restoration farming? I mean, our purpose is to heal the planet through agriculture. And our mode of doing that is through connection. So at the moment, we're connecting coaches and consultants with each other, and that's building them, to the resilience and strength, the next level to be able to go out and then help farmers to be able to do that.
Yeah.
I mean, many of them are already working with farmers, but then they don't have anyone to come back to because they're working in, sole trader businesses.
Yeah.
Come back to sort of bounce things off that that they're dealing with. So
Well, it's going to be a really interesting year this year for both the soil restoration farming and because of the lack of nitrogen that we're all about to start facing.
Yeah.
So if anybody's there that needs some support, contact Rachelle, because seriously, she's there, she knows people, there's a whole network across Australia and New Zealand and probably throughout the world, really.
Well, that's the thing. So we've got our core, community. So that we've got our coaching community. So anyone that's interested to be involved in that, as I said, we're not teaching necessarily the regenerative principles. There's an assumption that people come with knowledge that regenerative agriculture is the way forward. So, so that's already there. But then we've got our field of support beyond our community that we collaborate with, and that's global for sure.